Menteri Gatanar Kakot Kakia ke Sorkar Jala James K. Sangma ula kubur pakadon shisha ka jing Duna ki Doktor bala pentebit kerpang lani kita ki Doktor spesialis hakeleng ki Jaka Sumar. Habakran berkilat pathai kubur Menteri Gatanar ula ongba ka Sorkar ka persang bon kilat kilenti ban pendap ya katega jing Duna kenang baki Jaka Sumar kendon ya kinong Sumar ki bala pentebit kerpang.
No, there is a shortage of doctors, I would reiterate here, of specialist doctors. And we are trying to find out ways and means of addressing that problem. And very soon we'll be able to initiate steps and ways and means whereby we will be able to address this gap. It's very important because the tertiary care sector is also in today's world extremely important in the healthcare sector. And because of the shortage of specialists, that does get affected, and we understand this. And again, we have not shied away from the saying this, that we have a shortage of doctors. Those who are under 3F, still we are looking at ways and means of how we can bring them into the system, and how we can look at how we can have regular doctors who will be able to provide services. Uh, so those are the things that we are not hesitant to say that we have that gap. And the important thing is that to recognize these shortcomings and to work upon it, to then see how you address them. But we are trying to coordinate with the MPSC to the best possible way. I'm very sure the government is working towards finding ways and means of better coordination, ways and means of whereby we can have a better mechanism whereby the time taken for such kind of processes can be reduced, and we work in close coordination with the MPSC. I'm very sure the government is doing that. As I said, we understand the challenges and the problems, and we're trying to find ways and means of solution to this.